Welcome to the College of Acupuncturists of Alberta's Member Portal Tutorial Series. Before we get started, there are 3 quick tips you need to know. The Member Portal functions best when using the Google Chrome browser. The Member Portal will log you out after 40 minutes. Be sure to save your work periodically or you may lose your work. Do not use the back button or arrow on your browser. Make sure to click the Save for Later button before leaving the page or you may lose your work. Now that we've covered the quick tips, let's show you how to access your examination application form. To log into your member portal, go to the college's website and then press the Registrants Portal button. Then sign in. If you do not have an account, instructions on how to do so are available on the member portal support page on our website. Once in your member portal page, locate Exam Candidate under Apply for a Permit and click on Apply. You are now on the examination application page. This form is made up of 6 sections. The first section is personal information, which gives us information on who you are. Fill in the required fields. You may also add another name if applicable. The second section is identification. You are required to provide 2 different forms of identification. Acceptable forms of identification are listed on the form. Upload your 2 pieces of identification using the upload buttons here. The third section is education. Fill in your information regarding your education. You can upload supporting documentation using the upload button. Acceptable supporting documentation for your education include a transcript, either official or unofficial, or a diploma. Only one supporting document is required per qualifying education. If you would like to add another qualifying education, you can click the Add button. You can also delete a qualifying education by clicking the trash can icon at the top of the area you wish to delete. The fourth section is the examinations section. This is where you will choose which exams you'd like to write. Click the button beside any examinations you are applying for. The fifth section on the examination application form is declarations. There are 3 declarations that need to be acknowledged and accepted in order to submit your application. Check off the square under each one prior to submitting your application. And finally, the 6th section includes the Submit, Save for Later, and Withdraw buttons. Click on the Save for Later button to save your progress. You can save your progress at any time. Click Submit once you have completed all elements of your examination application form. All mandatory fields will need to be completed for your form to be submitted. Click Withdraw to withdraw from exams you have applied to write. To read a step-by-step guide for submitting an examination application, visit the Member Portal support page on our website. If you still have questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the college by emailing info@acupuncturealberta.ca or calling us at 780-466-7787. We are standing by to provide support.